Hey fellow bakers, welcome back to my channel. We're going to dive into the world of delicious desserts with a summertime favorite, coconut cream pie. We only have 1 month left until the shadows of winter are upon us. Where I'm from, we'll get 1 week of 70-degree weather and then snow. I digress. This sweet treat is perfect for any occasion, whether you're questing through the multiverse or just binge watching your favorite shows. For those of you that are new, hit that subscribe and notification button. It really helps me grow, plus you'll know when more awesome episodes are released. Let's get baking. For the pie crust, you'll need half a cup of vegetable shortening, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and some cold water. For the filling, you'll need 3 cups of half and half, 3/4 cup white sugar, half cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, and some sweetened flake coconut. For the whipped topping, you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract. Got everything? Awesome. Let's start with our pie crust. Now you can use pastry sheets, but I find making my own crust is easy to do and gives it that great texture. As an alternative, you can use graham crackers for the crust and coconut milk instead of the half and half. Okay, so we're going to mix the shortening, flour, and salt together with a fork or pastry blender until very crumbly. You can also use your hands if you want to. You're looking for almost like a sand texture, and you're going to add as much water as needed to hold together and mix lightly with a fork. This is when I like to get in with my hands here. Before I roll my pie crust out, I like to chill in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so we're going to flour a clean surface. Now you're going for about 1 inch or so of crust more than the pie tin, so you make sure it's all covered. Back on the pan to about halfway. And put it in, just press it down into the pan. If you have any holes, you can just patch them up with some extra dough. I've always been taught to also poke holes in the bottom for any possible air bubbles. Pop this into a preheated 350-degree or 175°C oven for about 10 minutes. Let it cool while we work on the filling. Preheat the oven to 350 and spread the coconut on a baking sheet. We're going to bake that in the preheated oven, stirring occasionally until golden brown, about 5 minutes. Okay, you're going to take about 3/4 of your coconut and mix it in with the filling, leaving 1/4 left for garnishing. Okay, time to pour the filling into your cooled pie crust and smooth it out with a spatula. Let this cool to room temperature, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can wait that long. I don't know if I can. Okay guys, our pie has been chilling overnight. Let's make our whipped topping. So for this you want to combine 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla. I just measure with my heart. Whip this with a mixer until soft peaks form. We're getting close. Okay, now we're going to spread the whipped cream over the chilled pie. I just like to push it up to the edges And then for those extra toasted coconut shavings, we're just going to garnish the top of the pie. There you have it, a delicious coconut cream pie ready to impress any gathering. Slice it up and you've got a dessert that is fun as it is tasty. This pie is so creamy and coconutty, it's out of this world. Thanks for baking along with me today. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more baking adventures. Drop a comment below with the dessert you'd like to see me make next. Until next time, stay sweet.